This tutorial will show how to use merge fields in your inspection templates. Using merge fields allows you to take a piece of information that is entered in one section of the report and have that same piece of information displayed in another part of the report. Let's take a look at how to set one up. First, we need to open up the Inspection Designer program. To do this, we'll open up the PDspect icon, and then we're going to click on Create Edit Inspection Forms in the lower left-hand corner. Once the program is open, we need to open up the template that we'll be making changes to. And to do this, we're going to click on Open. We're going to work with the basic residential inspection template, so highlight that, and then we're going to click on OK. We're now looking at the main Inspection Designer screen with our template open. Let's set up an example merge field to see how this works. For our example, we're going to create a merge field for the field inspector, which is in the general information category. So to do this, we're going to need to click on the general information category on our left-hand side. Next, we need to locate the inspector question-answer piece in the work area, which is the area at the top. So we have it here, and we need to pull up its properties. So we're going to click on this here. In our properties, we need to click on Advanced. To create a merge field, we need to come down here to our Element ID field. There are several different types of merge fields you can create, and for more information on all the different types, check out the how-to on merge fields. For this example, we're going to create an inspection level merge field. Now, to create a merge field, all we have to do is we type in two open curly brackets, and now we type in the name of the merge field. So we're going to call this inspector name. And to finish it, we type in two closed brackets. Now, it's important that the merge field you type, it will not work unless it has the proper opening and then closing brackets. Now that this is done, we can click on OK. The merge field has now been created. From this point on, anytime we type in the text of two open curly brackets, inspector name, and then two closed curly brackets, whatever we type in for inspector, that answer will show up. To see this in action, let's go ahead and select an inspector. We're going to select John Smith as our inspector. Now, we're going to come down here to General Comments in the Preview area. And for the notes, we're going to type in, this inspection was conducted by, and of course we could type in John Smith again, or we can use our merge field. So we're going to type in the two open brackets. We're going to say inspector name, and our two closed brackets. And now we're going to hit OK. To see what this looks like, we're going to switch from the screen preview to the print preview. And as you can see, we have the inspector we typed in here. And in general comments, it says this inspection was conducted by John Smith. What it did was it took the text we had typed in for the inspector name, and it replaced that, the merge field, with that. Now, if we go back to the input screen, you'll still see the merge field. An important thing to note is the merge field text will only be filled in on the printed report. On the screen, it's always going to look like the original merge field. A couple other important things are the merge fields are case sensitive, and like I mentioned earlier, you must use the brackets correctly when you create the merge field, as well as when you try to use it later. You can create as many merge fields as you want and can have the answers displayed at different parts of the report. As mentioned earlier, for more information about the types of merge fields you can create, check out the how-to on merge fields. This concludes the tutorial on how to use merge fields in your inspection templates.